So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the I'm going to take these, go underneath the car, loosely mock them up to the header or to the cats, and then kind of just do a rough test fit on these as far as like location goes, and then I think I'm going to pull them back out and weld my V-band clamps welded onto here and to the end of this pipe. That way they are connected and seated properly. And so what that will allow me to do is whenever I need to do anything else underneath the car, I can quickly remove the clamp itself, and I can take apart the whole system a lot easier than trying to slide and adjust and like wiggle the whole system back and forth trying to get it all seated properly. At least that is what I got going on in my head at the moment, but we'll see how well that works out later on. So I'm under the car. I'm just gonna kind of loosely get these fitted up. So before I get everything all like actually fitted up, I'll probably clean off all of these bolts, and then I may put I may put some anti-seize on them, but I'm gonna at least take a wire brush to them and clean them off. So I got those roughly seated up.